Okay, so welcome back, kings and queens. Welcome if you're new here. I showed you guys earlier some designs that were on sale from Feathers of Style. I actually ordered a set. I'll probably be going back to order some more, but I just wanted to show you a card that I was designing. So the Feathers of Style came with like 42 files. And I'll show you just a few that I uploaded, a few of the images that I uploaded. So here are some of my ladies and some of the accessories that came with it. And this is the card that I was working on. So as you can see, I added some polka dots in the background, just adding circles and putting them in various spots. I then put in my image from Feathers of Style, uploaded the balloon that came with it, and then added some text that said happy birthday. So I'm just messing around in here designing. I just duplicated that by accident. So let me delete that out and just add a page. And just show you, some of the things I'm doing as I'm designing. So a lot of times I will just piggyback off a design that I've already made so I don't have to start from scratch. But I'm going to throw these elements in here and work with them and see what I get. Sometimes I move things around, shrink them, expand them. I'm going to size this down to see if I can give her a handbag. I'm going to enlarge my page so I can see what I'm doing. And I am working in the free Canva design element. So this is just a free Canva. This is not the pro or anything like that. I want to see if I send it to the back, what that would do. I wanted to create the illusion that the bag is actually in her hand. Once I get her, and I probably should have my glasses on, but once I get her and the bag situated the way that I want them, I can then group the items and move them as I see fit. So I think I'm going to have to move it around. I could have undone it, because now that I have moved it to the bag, it's just making it a little more difficult for me to size it and create the type of illusion that I want. And I might just have to eliminate this altogether if I can't get it to sit exactly the way that I would like it to sit. But it's all good. That's a part of designing, playing around, and getting things the way that you want it. So, in the meantime, I'm going to play with this balloon. A lot of times, people will come on and show you how they did something, and it looks really quick and easy, but it could have been hours of designing that went into it that you just didn't get to see. So I'm gonna probably tilt this and move it forward and see what that looks like. I want to get it just so that it might look like it's in her fingertip, and then if I move it forward, bring it to the front, we'll see what that looks like. So again, I want to try to get it to the tip of her fingers. I like the way I had it a few minutes ago. And sometimes it's kind of inching along and moving along and trying to get exactly where you want it. I inched it and I moved it and then I shrunk it. And I like the way I had it the first time. I can also flip it and tilt it to see if I may like that better. Let's see if it actually looks like it's in her hand better. I don't know. So I'll play around with it to see what I like. It's okay, but I'm not sure I'm loving it. I think I loved it more when it was at the top, but it's okay. But nevertheless, I can group all these together, move them over as one, and create this as a birthday card. I would probably shrink it down. If I use the top as my center point, top meaning the top card in the center line, because I know I've sized that down to make it fit the way that I want. And I know kind of where I want her to sit. And then I can just add some text. The sizing really doesn't matter because you can go in at any point and change it. And then you can have it say whatever you like. Happy birthday. Of course, you can move your text around, and this will change as you change your font. If you change your font. And you can see as I'm clicking through the font changing, so you can decide what you want to use. PlayScript is one of my favorite fonts to use. I like Anton for more masculine or bolder items. And you can see the look of the card changes as you change some of these elements. Of course, you can always change it to a different color. One of the things I've shown before that I do like is that once you add an element, you can correspond the color to the elements that are in the photos. So it will show you some of the coordinating colors with her outfit and her accessories. So if you wanted to change, you see happy birthday is in red. You can separate these two things out, make it happy 30th or 40th or whatever. And there you go. You have a birthday card. So, oh, well, that's the front page of the birthday card. I actually have a back page that's already done. And so it's just a text box as to what you want to say. But there you go. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.